For me, it has been a little bit like of a self-discovering journey, because I didn't know that it existed within me, that I'm so passionate about thinking of a future that is alternative to what our reality is right now.
Students are moving into a world that is very fast-paced, and this module is about developing the kind of transferable skills that are applicable for whatever they might face in the future, and that they have the agency to not just shape that future, but also to contribute to it positively. This module is not like anything you will ever have done before. It's a really unique opportunity to meet with other students from other programs and other disciplines, to work together as active learners, so they're not sitting there passively receiving information on real-world problems from different perspectives. And that's a new way of thinking for the students to be part of.
Over a few weeks, we came up with ideas for a wellbeing challenge. Our problem was about loneliness and isolation, and so we were trying to create a solution to decrease loneliness.
We had people studying Welsh, business, mental health nursing. I myself come from English and history. It encouraged me to be more open-minded and stretched my own skills in a way that I thought I was completely incapable of doing beforehand.
The reality is that future problems require connected thinking, and they require people to be able to see things from diverse perspectives. And it's really important for students to be able to do that, because they, I think more than ever, are moving into a world where the jobs that they will do, the careers that they will take on, are probably not the things that they imagined they're doing. And we need to provide students with the skill set to be able to move with the times, because we're not able to predict what the future holds. It's a unique moment in history, actually.
Normal lectures and modules have been more like, face-to-face learning. There's a slide in the back, but this has been fun.
I didn't expect that we can have such good ideas from simple conversations.
So I feel like I've learned a lot from those who I've talked to, so I've picked up a better perspective for what it would be like actually out in the real world.
Futures thinking will become part of the day-to-day fabric of what we do at Cardiff as an institution, so that all undergraduate students who come to study at Cardiff have the opportunity to engage with this type of thinking, to work in interdisciplinary teams, to be ready for whatever the future might hold for them after university. And also, moving forward, the aim is to work also with wider community partners, so that they are able to provide us the real-world challenges that students are actively working on and providing a response to.